Welcome back to my channel, The Face of Failure. It's Ravi here, and I'm going to talk about gold chart today. The next week, how gold is going to perform. And those of you who are watching for the first time, watch out my previous videos and all my weekly analysis that how did I perform in market. I'm currently using 50,000 account. Whatever the prediction I made, some of them were completely right, and the way I said it happened exactly. And some of them were not as correct, but still I managed to make money. So without wasting any of your time, let's start. As you can see here, it's a daily time frame and market was continuously coming down without breaking any lower highs. So that means market was in downtrend. And at this very point, 39.69 level, it made bottom. Now my plan for the next week is simple. Let's switch to a 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, I have already marked down the level which are going to be very important in this session. My first plan is very simple. At any given point, if market opens gap up on the same level or gap down, if it start crossing this level where it took support from, then from here I'm only planning selling. Let's suppose if it's open at the same area and then go up and then started showing the selling strength, then at any moment when it start crossing this level, I will start to find my selling setup, because from there you will see a big downfall momentum. My other scenario is also simple. It's not selling, it's a buying. So what's going to happen is when it will try to break this level, it will show a little pullback. That means a few candles will show a selling. From there, I will enter in a buying trend and hold it till this liquidity and see how it's going to react at this level. If it shows the trend, then I will hold it till the second liquidity. I will not hold more than the second liquidity. The moment it will cross and sustain above this level, from there I will start to find another selling setups. It's July 19 and I'm predicting that in first 1-2 trading sessions it will show some kind of buying momentum if it open at the flat where it closed or a little gap up. But the moment it will open gap down, I will completely become a seller, because then the seller will take control immediately. One more thing here is very important. Whenever you are planning a trade and in any under circumstances, if it's not going as you planned, then you have to wait for your another setup. So for example, I have made this analysis. Now after this, if all this three scenario is not going to work out in my favor, then for that, to protect that capital, I always will have a stop loss and a target. The way I become profitable, it's very simple. If my stop loss gets hit, that's fine. Once, twice, thrice is fine. But if I'm making money, then I'm trying to capture a trend at least 1:8, 1:10, or even bigger than that. That way, if one of my trade works good, I'm gonna make 20 times money. I'm gonna make 20 times money, whichever I hit on my stop loss. And then I have to be like 10, 15 times wrong to wipe out the money that I made in just one trade. That's how you end up being profitable. In my future video, I will try to explain all the live concepts, live trade, and how to capture a momentum from very bottom and from the very top. I will teach you each and everything. Stay with me, keep watching my video. If you are liking, please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.